Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you Paint and Windows link ink free in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the search option, and here I can enter the settings option, as well as if we search the Paint and where the end see, I have write the few things and I have got the best matching with Paint and Windows ink settings. So I can open from the here, or I can go see the system settings. So I have closed this and I will enter the settings, and where privacy and security. Am I getting from the here? No. Here the Bluetooth and devices. So click here, scrolling in below, see here the Paint and Windows ink. Here what have tasks? There have the right-handed or left-handed pen button shortcuts handwriting. So I have click here. So here the handwriting panel settings. So click this. So I want to set here in the front. See here. So before that I have to on this thing. So see, in this way we can set up this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.